Hello, you are once welcome again to my YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, please, we want to invite you to subscribe to the channel. It is free to subscribe, so all you need is go to your right hand and you see, irrespective of the device you're using, phone, iPad and laptop, the icon is always at the right hand of your device. So you click the subscribe button there. Immediately you do that, a bell icon like this will show up, and you click it to get notification to all our uploads. All the videos we do, all the trainings we do, we upload some of them on YouTube, so and they are free to access, so you can watch, you can get our training on YouTube free. So that is all you need to be part of our community on YouTube. And let me show you reason why you need to be our community member on YouTube. Our vision, our goal in 2019 is to help at least 1,000 entrepreneurs, small business owners and online marketers make $500,000 in their businesses online in 2019. That is our vision, through our training, through our partnership, and through technical and structural support that we give all the entrepreneurs and small business owners and marketers to be able to achieve this goal in their online or offline business. That is one of the reasons why you need to subscribe to this channel. Our YouTube channel, this is our YouTube card. So if you go there, you will see this. This is the benefit you get when you join our YouTube community. So we do weekly free training on WhatsApp. So on Fridays we do weekly training. So on WhatsApp, on marketing and all the skills that you need to grow your business. So you can be part of that community on WhatsApp, also to be trained every Friday. On YouTube, we also upload videos from time to time on all the things you need, how to make money, how to sell, and how to recruit, a lot of things. So we already have a lot of videos on our YouTube channel, how to maximize your time and what to do with your time, and how to scale your business and how to grow your business online. So we do all these videos already, some of them are on YouTube, and we are still doing more. So you participate in our franchise. That is where you partner with us in running our franchise business anywhere you are in Nigeria. So you get to be part of this community also as you join our community on YouTube. So you also learn digital marketing. These are some of the things we teach in weekly videos, either on WhatsApp, on YouTube, also on Facebook too. You acquire business management skills. These are some of the things we teach. Also teach financial literacy. These are part of the things we'll be teaching you when you join our community in any of the channels, either YouTube, WhatsApp and Facebook. So and want to grow your host, Patriot Entrepreneurs, business registered with CSC. And also we have second business registered with CSC, a limited liability company, Patriot Entrepreneurs Global Ventures Limited. All of them are incorporated in CSC. So I want to, on behalf of my team, I want to appreciate you so much for your support so far. If you have been part of our community, your feedbacks are always appreciated. So for more information, you can call this number 08063883354. That is how you can be part of our community. You can send us message on WhatsApp. Also, I will add the link in the description, so you see how to get us, the website, the Facebook and the phone number, the WhatsApp link. I will put them in the description so you can use them to have access to us immediately. So let me quickly take you to YouTube and show you how you can do that on YouTube. Okay, so this is our channel on YouTube. So but let me take you to a video. You see how that is done, how to subscribe to a YouTube channel. So immediately you click a red button icon, subscribe, like this. Now you see a bell icon like this, so you click it, and it will show you that you will be notified anytime video is released or published on this channel. So that is basically what you need to do. Is free to subscribe. There's no payment to this, but you get all our videos anytime we publish and anytime we upload. You get this video. You'll be first to see this video on our YouTube channel. Remember to share our video to your friends and your colleagues that need it. We are entrepreneurs. We support business owners. We support entrepreneurs to grow their business, scale their business, and integrate their business to digital platform where you can access millions of customers and other. You can also reach millions of people online. So we can teach you how to make videos and use videos to sell your business or to promote your business online. So that is basically what the video is all about. So subscribe to this channel and let your friends know about us and be part of our community. Thank you very much. I remain your host, Walter Okoro.